Hello everyone, morning from Pennsylvania. We're up in northeastern PA in Bradford County at the Marie Antoinette Overlook. So we're just here in the early morning waiting for the sun to crest. We already see pink in the sky, so we'll be back. Cheers. The French Asylum used to be many different buildings and structures down in the valley over here that you can look and see. Now the structures are all gone, but very popular place for people to do a lot of metal detecting, excavating for different things. It's private property, but people do get a chance to get on it and check. Here's a cat coming. Hello, kitty. And here is this, just kind of a breakdown, 1777. And it shows you the transition of the area until then. Cat came up to say, "Oh, hello, kitty." Yeah, very nice kitty. Let's see what happens if you do this. Hello, kitty. That's what happens. That's nice. Okay. All right. So, like I said, sun's going to come up here soon, and we're just going to be hanging out. Cat's hanging out. It's actually a little darker than the camera says it is, but all right, we'll be back. Coming up to this placard. Let's see. Settlement of French royalists who fled the French Revolution in 1793 was established in the valley directly opposite this marker. It was laid out and settled under the direction of Viscount de, I can't see it, Noles and Marquis and Marquis Antoinette Omer. I just actually did a beer review of an Omer beer, which is interesting. Talon. It was hoped that Queen Marie Antoinette might here find safety. Among many distinguished visitors of the place were Louis Philippe, Duke of Orleans, later King of France, Prince of Talleyrand, Duke of Montpellier, and the Duke of Le Rochefort. Was it? I can't. Lancourt. Okay. Interesting. And this marker was made in 1930. So it's hard to see. It's dark. It's actually a lot darker than. It's a lot darker here than the camera shows. The camera shows it's pretty dark, pretty bright outside, but it's not. It's still in the wee mornings. And of course, again, right opposite of this marker, past the Chinese food container, would be right here, where the settlement was laid out for the French Asylum. Might be hard to hear, but there is a flock of turkeys down there just pecking and gobbling away. So that's really cool. The sun is starting to rise. There is a bar here too, if you want to come up for a nice ride and get some libations while you're up here. It's a nice spot, nice pullover for sure. Up off Route 6, outside Wyalusing. Yep. All right. Here we are in one of the little towers, enjoying it. There's the new adventure vehicle behind us we just got. So that's old Large Marge. That's Marge. She needs a shower because it's been rainy and you know, all this stuff. But yeah, my hair's crap too, so don't worry about it. So here we are up in this nice little, it's pretty cool. We're gonna have another one over here, and they keep it up. There's the cat spying on us, having a good time. Oh, caught him. He went away. But like I said, it's a nice little pullover with some very interesting history. I mean, it's direct history from Europe coming over and mingling with Pennsylvania history. So I always think that's pretty cool. And this is really cool. It actually reminds me of some of the towers I saw when I was in Germany at some of the castles and stuff. Woo! But yep, Paul and Ryan, here we are. Marie Antoinette Overlook over in Bradford County above Wyalusing on Route 6. Or east of Wyalusing, I guess you want to call it. Whatever. Now we are on the ground level looking up at the Marie Antoinette Overlook where we were just recently, and we're going to go see what the French Asylum historic site down here has to behold. And there is some flashy lights of copness up there doing something, but here we are. And it is just farmland all around this little area, so, and that's part of the cool farms that you can see from up there. But be right back. Let's see what we have to go on in the French Asylum. Probably some replicas of the style buildings that were here before they were torn down. There's no gate, so I consider that good. Oh, I think the gate is closed. Or you can go by foots. Said this way. All right.
We'll go check out the signs.
Mm-hmm. Here's another plaque. This monument is erected to commemorate and perpetuate the memory of the deeds of the French royalist refugees who escaped from France and the horrors of the Revolution. And from the Revolution in San Domingo, settled here in 1793, and located and laid out the town of Asylum. It's a pretty cool little spot in northwest or northeastern Pennsylvania history. So very nice place. Look at this. Just nice flat farmland now. Very picturesque. Set in a nice area. There's Ryan and Marge. All right. Well, this has been Paul from PA Outdoors Couple. Cheers.